Hi, I'm your Mandarin teacher, Ah Wei. Hey. Today's video is the first chapter of 8. So first, let's take a look on those 8 chapters. So these 8 chapters include a lot of things you need to know to have a basic, however, practical daily conversation. And for today's video, we are going to focus on the first chapter, Pinyin. Pinyin. Well, maybe right now you have a question like, what is Pinyin? Why do we need to learn it? So look at it. Do you see these 2 Chinese characters? Yes? How do you pronounce them? Do you have a clue? You don't. Me neither. So in order to know the pronunciation of each and every character in Chinese, we need something to help us to know and to learn and to memorize the pronunciation. So in Taiwan, most of us, we learned 注音. 注音. So you see that? With this symbol, we know the pronunciation, which is 中文. 中文. And we have a different system which is called Pinyin. You see that? They are in ABCs. So some people think it's easier to understand. And most of Chinese or Mandarin learners, they learn this. Okay? So I'm going to show you both. So let's get it started. Let's start with something simple, which is B. And you can see that it's kind of like the English B, right? And the next one, you see the red one below, it's A. So let's put them together. It would be Ba, Pa, Ma, Fa. Let's have an example. How to say father. 爸爸. Baba. And what about the mother? Mama. Mama. Now, let's use a different vowel, which is E. And follow me. B, P, Mi. And when you see something in gray color, we don't have that combination. We don't have Fi in Mandarin. We have an example here. B. That's a pen. Now with a new vowel like this one, it's pronounced O. O. But be careful when O goes with B, P, M, F. We need to put a tiny oo in between, just like this. And it's gonna sound like bo, bo, po, mo, fo. Do we have an example? Yes. Magic. 魔法. 魔法. Next one, that vowel is ow. Ow. When it goes with b, p, m, f, it sounds like bao, pow, mao. Do you like cats? How to say cat? Mao. And when you run, you say pow. And this vowel, this pronunciation is an. An. So follow me. Ban, pan, man, fan. Do you like rice? I love rice. Fan. Fan. And if it's too much, you cannot finish all of them, you can finish half of it. Ban. Ban. Oh, you see 2 colors there, right? It's getting a little bit complicated. The green one is a vowel, it's E. And the red one is an. When you put E and an together, it's yan. Yan. Follow me. 边偏面 Prefer noodles? 面 Now we have new consonants, which are d, t, n, l. And when they go with this vowel, oo, it sounds like this. Du, tu, nu, lu. Look at the picture. This guy is holding a map. 地图 地图 When this consonant go with this vowel, it's Yes, I know it's in English letter E, but when you see it's alone, it's pronounced So follow me. 的 t n l For example, 可乐 可乐 You see that? Both syllables have Now it's oo and o together. Wo, wo. Follow me. 多 托 诺 罗 Easy, right? Example here is a camel. 骆驼 骆驼 Next one, when the oo goes with a an, together it's uan. Follow me. 端 团 暖 luan. Oh, have you ever tried this? You can buy them in convenience stores. 饭团 Next. Yeah, we have a vowel E and oh, that's a e. You see that? We have two vowels here. It's E and e. So that's the letter e is not pronounced because right now it has a company I over there, right? So it's e. Follow me. 爹 贴 捏 咧 For example, railroad 铁路 铁路 I'm going to introduce you very special vowel, which is ü, two tiny dots above the vowel u, and it only goes with n and l. Nu, lü. Let's have an example. Oh, girls, female, we say nu, nu. And green, the color green, we say lü, lü. Now we have new consonants here. It's g, k, and h. So when these three go with I, it sounds like gai, kai, hai. For example, the ocean, seas, 大海, 大海. And when these three g, k, h go with yes, there's only one vowel there, so it's pronounced So when and n together, it's n. Follow me. 根 ken, hen. For example, do you see those roots of a big tree? Yes, we say 根 for roots. 根. Next one, we have u and a together. And it sounds like ua. Follow me. 瓜 夸 花. Do you like flowers? 花 花. Now we have something very special here. Okay, first I would like you to say an English name. That is George. George. right? But I need you to say this name like this, George. Yes, George. You hear that? George. Congratulations, you already learned the first. G. Now I need you to say one different thing. On Sunday, maybe some of you go to church, right? Now say the word with your lips like this, okay? Church. Ch. Yes. Now we have the QU pronunciation, which is chu. Chu. The third one is very easy. Have you ever shushed someone? Shh. Yeah. Shu. Shu. Easy, right? So one more time. Ju. Chu. Shu. Now, when ju, chu, shu go with a, so together it's jue, chue, xue. And when ju, chu, shu go with the nasal vowel, ong, ong. It goes like this. Ju, ong, jiong, qiong, xiong. For example, do you like panda? 猫熊, 猫熊. And those tiny little snowflakes, we call them 雪花, 雪花. The same combination, ju, chu, shu, go with an, juan, chuan, xuan. For example, have you ever donated your blood? How to say blood? 血, 血. So donating your blood is 捐血, 捐血. Now, I'm going to ask you to say those names one more time. George. But this time, you have to say with a big smile, like Georgie. Can you do that? Georgie. Yes. And then you have J-I. G. G. Do you remember the second word? Church. Now give me a big smile. Church. Church. That is a QI. Qi. And number 3, remember that? Shh. And now you say it with a big smile. Xi. Xi. Follow me. Ji. Qi. Xi. Good. When ji, qi, xi go with n, it sounds like in. Follow me. Jin. Qin. Xin. First example. Chicken, 鸡, 鸡. And you love gold? I do. 黄金, 黄金. Now when 鸡, qi, xi go with the ng sound, they sound like this. 金, 清, 星. The same thing, 鸡, qi, xi go with ang. It sounds like this. 江, 枪, 香. For example, your eyes. 眼睛, 眼睛. And a gun. Pew pew. 枪, 枪. Now we have new consonant here. The first one, it sounds like a B, like z, z, z. It's pronounced z, z. Okay? When z goes with e, oh, be careful. It does not pronounce z. No. The I, letter I here, it does nothing. Okay? And the C, it sounds like a spray. Tss, tss, tss. That's how you pronounce C-I. Tss. The S-I sounds just like a snake. S, s, s. Let's do it one more time. Z-I, z. C-I, c. S-I, s, s. And when z, c, s go with sounds like z, zeng, c, ceng, s, seng. Maybe right now they sound a little bit confusing. Let's have more practice. When z, c, s go with owl, it sounds like zao, cao, sao. For example, how do you say good morning? 早安, 早安. And do you see those thorns? Maybe on a rose or something? We call them 刺, 刺. When 字, 词, 思 go with 乌, it's 租, 粗, 苏. Now let's put on more vowels here. Okay, we have U and A. A. But in Pinyin, we only write Z, U, I. We don't write the letter E. It's Z, U, I. Follow me. 追, 催, 衰. And when 租, 粗, 苏 go with n, it's 尊, 村, 孙. Now we have an example here. How do you call this? 嘴巴, 嘴巴. If you want to save some money, yes, how to say money? 钱, 钱. So save money, we say 存钱, 存钱. Now we're going to have the most challenging consonant here. Okay? So, are you ready? First, I would like you to say this in English. R. Right? Think about the pirate. R. Yes. And I would like you to use R to say the Z sound. Remember the Z sound? Z, 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 like a B, right? So ready? R. Yes, and say the Z. R. G. G. Yes, you have Z-H-I now. G. G. Remember how to pronounce the C? The spray sound. Tss. Now, let's go back to R, pirate R, and they say ch. Yes, you have C-H-I, ch, 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 and the snake sound, s. Yes, let's use the letter R, R, sh, sh, sh. You have the S-H-I, sh. And the R-I, yes, let's do R first. And think about motorcycle. R. You have R-I. When zhi, chi, shi, ri go with it sounds like zhe, che, she, re. Example. Chi. You eat something. Chi. And a snake. 蛇 When these four 支持时日 go with ang, follow me. 张 昌 商 让 And when these four go with u, 猪 出 shu, ru. And when they go with u and ang, wang, it sounds like 庄 chuang 双 For example, 床 a bed, 床 And do you like singing? 唱歌 When 猪 出 shu, ru go with the nasal vowel n, it's like 尊 春 shun, run. And when they go with the other nasal vowel it's like 中 冲 shong, rong. For example, 猪肉 that's pork. And bugs or worms 虫 That's for chapter 1 Pinyin. How did that go? I hope you're not too confused. I'm your Mandarin teacher, Ah Wei, and see you next time. Bye.